This is the Elite Gourmet coffee maker. This is one of our favorite products. It is a 5-cup carafe capacity coffee maker. I'm going to give you a quick tour. So first and foremost, we have this 5-cup carafe. When you take this out, you're going to see the warming plate down below. You're going to see the actual coffee carafe. So you'll see the top here. They call this a pause and reuse mechanism lid. And so the idea is like you pour the coffee, you make some more, etc. So that's an added feature. When we go towards the top now, open this up, and the filter is going to be on the inside. At least it should be. It's currently getting washed right now, but the filter should be here. And then when we look at the side here, we're going to see the water reservoir. So min to max in the water reservoir is seen through a see-through window, so you know how much water is left. And then you have the on and off button. This, as you can see, gets a lot of use in our home. We absolutely love it. It's a very nice, small, lightweight, portable coffee maker. We highly recommend it to others.